Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video you can watch how to make cream of mushroom soup. We use Agaricus bisporus mushroom, cultivated mushroom, butter or margarine, sunflower oil, wheat flour, old boy, sugar and salt, milk, cream, the layer that forms on the boiled milk. Flour is added to the mushroom and mixed. Flour and water are used to clean mushrooms. Stir, remove the mushrooms from the water and add to the strainer. Pour water on it and let it dry a little. First cut the mushrooms in the middle and chop finely. We are really behind in YouTube videos and I ask you to give a like and comment to this recipe, and if you want to donate, you can leave a tip using the super thank you feature. Support me. Large pot. Sunflower oil. Margarine. Wait for the oil to warm up a little. Add chopped mushrooms. Mix it slowly. Add a little more oil if needed. Stir for 5 minutes. Cook the mushrooms. Add flour. Mix. Add boiling water. Mix. boil for 10 minutes. Granulated sugar. Add milk to mixing bowl. Milk cream. Mix. You can make it smoother with a hand blender, but don't overmix it. Some more milk. Add hot soup to avoid curdled milk. Now slowly add the cream to the soup and stir constantly. Add salt after 2 minutes. Creamy mushroom soup is ready. There is one more ingredient you can add. First, transfer the soup to the food bowl. Add chopped dill on it, and with a little touch, both its taste and appearance will change a lot. The fried dry labor grains you will add on it will be great. Excuse me, I'm tasting this soup, it smells great. I can say that it is a legendary soup. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.